Hi kids! Please take a look at page 2, and today we're going to learn about arrays and repeated additions to multiplication. So an array is the arrangement of objects, pictures, or number in rows and columns. So take a look at the questions here. Mr. Booth asked a police officer to speak to his class, another 4th grade class, about summer safety. To make rooms for the other students, Mr. Booth arranged the chairs in his classroom into 8 rows and put 4 chairs in each row. So how many chairs were there in all? So Mr. Booth put 4 chairs in each row, and there are 8 rows in total. So we put 8 rows of 4 chairs here. Okay. So now there are 8 rows of chairs. Each row there are 4 chairs. So the total number of chairs will be 4 plus 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 4 equals to 32. So this is repeated additions. And then we take a look at the sentence practice below. Which number sentence describes the array? So there are 4 blocks in each row, and there are total 3 rows. So the total number of blocks will be 4 plus 4 plus 4. If we use multiplication, it will be 3 times 4. So option A is the correct answer. And then we take a look at page 3. Okay, so on the pictures, how many rows are there? Yes, there are 3 rows. And also there are 3 blocks in each row. So the total number of blocks will be 3 plus 3 plus 3. And the answer is 9. So 3 rows of 3 blocks is 9 blocks. And then we take a look at the questions below. How many rows are there? Yes, there are 5 rows, and there are 5 blocks in each row. So the total number of blocks will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And the answer is 25. So 5 rows of 5 blocks is 25 blocks. Okay, now please turn to page 4 and let's use the method double to extend the timetable. Here is a problem about doubling. In science, Mark's class is studying models of ants. Mark sees that each ant has 6 legs. So how many legs do 2 ants have altogether? So each ant has 6 legs, so 2 ants will be 6 plus 6, which is 12. Okay, so now take a look at the tables below. So this is the multiplications of 4. First of all, we use the skip counting on method. 4 times 1 equals to 4. How about 4 times 2? We just need to add 1 more 4. So 4 plus 4 equals to 8. So 4 times 2 equals to 8. And then 4 times 3, we need to add 1 more 4. So 8 plus 4 equals to 12. And then 4 times 4, we need to add 1 more 4 to 4 times 3. So 12 plus 4 equals to 16. So 4 times 4 equals to 16. And then 4 times 5, we add 1 more 4. So 16 plus 4 equals to 20. And then we use the doubling method to find 4 times 6. Because 6 is the double of 3. So 4 times 6 is the double of 4 times 3. And just now we have found 4 times 3 equals to 12. So 4 times 6 equals to 12 plus 12, which is 24. And then we can also find 4 times 8 by doubling 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals to 16, so 4 times 8 equals to 16 plus 16, which is 32. How about 4 times 10? Because 10 is the double of 5, so we just need to double 4 times 5 to find 4 times 10. 4 times 5 is 20, so 4 times 10 equals to 20 plus 20, which is 40. And then we're going to use the count back method to find 4 times 7. Just now we have found 4 times 8. We just need to take away 1 4 to find 4 times 7. And now there are 4. So 4 times 8 equals to 32. 4 times 7 equals to 32 minus 4, which is 28. And then we also use a similar method to find 4 times 9, because we know 4 times 10 equals to 40. And then we just need to take away 1 4 to find 4 times 9. So it's 40 minus 4, which is 36. And then for the tables below, kids, please try to finish by yourself at home. Okay, now please turn to page 8, and we're going to find the patterns of 4. So the first number is number 4, and then we jump 4 steps forward, it becomes 8, and then we jump 4 steps forward, it is 12, and next is 16, and then 4 steps forward is 20, and then is 24, and then 4 steps forward is 28, and then 28 plus 4 is 32, and next it is 36, and next is 40, and then 4 steps forward is 44, and then 48, and then 52, and then 56, and then 60, and then is 64, and then is 68, and 4 steps forward is 72, and then is 76, and then is 80, and then is 84, 88, 92, 96, and 100. And then we're going to find the patterns of 0. So what numbers is in the patterns of 0? Yes, there is only one number, which is 0. And then we're going to find the patterns of 11. So we jump 11 steps forward from 11. So the first number is 11, and then is 22, and then 33, and then plus 11 is 44, and then plus 11 is 55, and then is 66, and then is 77, 88, and the last one is 99. So these are the numbers in the patterns of 11. You can see that they can form a straight diagonal line. Okay, and then we take a look at page 11. Okay, so in each box there are 4 apples, and there are 6 boxes in total. How many apples are there in all? It will be 4 times 6. And we are going to use the doubling method to find 4 times 6. Because 4 equals to 2 plus 2. So we decompose 4 into 2 and 2. So 4 times 6 equals to 2 times 6 plus 2 times 6. So we try to find 2 times 6 first. And then we double 2 times 6 to find 4 times 6. And then we try to find 2 times 6 first. We use skip counting to find 2 times 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then we double 2 times 6 to find 4 times 6. So we add 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 4 times 6 will be 12 plus 12, which is 24. So 4 times 6 equals to 2 times 6 plus 2 times 6 equals to 12 plus 12 equals to 24. So there are 24 apples in total. Next questions, there are 7 boxes of apples. So it will be 4 times 7. Again, we decompose 4 into 2 plus 2. So we can find 4 times 7 by finding 2 times 7 plus 2 times 7. We need to find 2 times 7 first. 2 times 7 equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. It's 14. So 2 times 7 equals to 14. And then we double 2 times 7 to find 4 times 7. So we add 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 14 plus 14. 14 plus 14 equals to 28. So 4 times 7 equals to 28. So in 7 boxes of apples, there are 28 apples in all. Next questions, there are 8 boxes of apples. So the total numbers of apples will be 4 times 8. Again, we decompose 4 into 2 plus 2. So 4 times 8 equals to 2 times 8 plus 2 times 8. So 2 times 8 equals to 16. And then we double 2 times 8. So we add 8 more 2. So it's 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16 equals to 32. So 4 times 8 equals to 32. For the last question, kids, please try to finish by yourself at home. Okay, and then we take a look at the next page. Complete the formula and find the answer. So the first questions, 2 people are in a team. So we need to find how many people are in 3 teams. So the formula will be 2 times 3. We can do it by skip counting. 2, 4, 6. So 2 times 3 equals to 6. And there are 6 people in 3 teams. Okay, and then we take a look at the next questions. 4 people are in a team. So how many people are in 3 teams? So take a look at the pictures on the right hand side. There are 4 people in 1 team. So this is the first team, the second team, and the third team. So the total number of peoples will be 4 times 3. And you can see that there are 12 people in all. So 4 times 3 equals to 12. For the last question, please try to finish by yourself at home. And then we take a look at the next page. Multiply and write the answer for each problem. If the product is less than 22, color the balloons yellow. If it is greater than 22, color the balloons blue. The first one is 4 times 6. So we use the doubling method to find 4 times 6. We decompose 4 into 2 and 2. So we can double 2 times 6 to find 4 times 6. We can use skip counting method to find 2 times 6. And 2 times 6 equals to 12. And then we double 2 times 6 to find 4 times 6. So it's 12 plus 12, which is 24. So 4 times 6 equals to 24. And it is greater than 22. So we color it in blue. Okay, next one, we are going to find 9 times 4. Again, we use the doubling method to find 4 times 9. We decompose 4 into 2 and 2. So we double 2 times 9 to find 4 times 9. 2 times 9 equals to 18. And then we double 2 times 9 to find 4 times 9. So it's 18 plus 18. 18 plus 18 equals to 36. So 4 times 9 equals to 2 times 9 plus 2 times 9. So 2 times 9 is 18, so 4 times 9 is 18 plus 18 equals to 36. And it is greater than 22, so we color the balloons blue. And next one, we are going to find 4 times 5. Again, we use the doubling method to find 4 times 5, and we decompose 4 into 2 and 2. So we're trying to find 2 times 5 first, and then we double 2 times 5 to find 4 times 5. So 2 times 5 equals to 10. And then we double 2 times 5, which is 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 equals to 20. So 4 times 5 equals to 2 times 5 plus 2 times 5. And it is equals to 10 plus 10, which is 20. So 4 times 5 equals to 20. 20 is less than 22, so we color the balloons yellow. Okay, next one, we are going to find 3 times 8. So this time we're going to subtract from a known tens fact to find 8 times 3, because 8 equals to 10 minus 2. So first of all, what we need to do is we take 3 tens and we decompose 10 into 8 and 2. So now there are 3 8s and also 3 2s. So we know that 3 times 10 equals to 30. And then we take away 1 2 from each 10. So we take away 6. 30 minus 6 equals to 24. So 3 times 8 equals to 24. So 3 times 8 equals to 10 times 3 minus 6. 3 times 10 is 30. So 30 minus 6 equals to 24. So 8 times 3 equals to 24. And 24 is greater than 22. So we color the balloons in blue color. Okay, so for the other balloons, please try to finish by yourself at home.